Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I won't please you.
Y'all, I have become those people who get up early and get out before the crowd, okay? We don't have to do 3-4 times. So I swear by this. I use this all the time.
Don't wanna take it slow. Just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow.
Hey y'all, so it is Sunday. I don't know what it is. Sunday, March something, but I just got back from the grocery store. Y'all, I have become those people who get up early and get out before the crowd, okay? Because it is currently 9:51 and I've already went to Walmart, I went to Aldi's, went to Target. I'm back home. I've just been back home for about maybe 5 minutes, but let me show you guys all what I picked up. And because I was going to run around, I made sure I brought my Rachel red bag that keeps all my stuff cold. So hopefully, not y'all getting ready to die. How ghetto. Let's see how far we can get with this. I also have just the worst migraine. So I had to go ahead and go to the store because I didn't want to go later on the day and be kind of crowded, but my head is pounding. I think it's my sinuses because I walked outside and everything was blooming. Everything, but anyway. Well, 2 of these Minute Maid Zero Sugar. If you know, you know I love making my tea with lemonade. So it's like that Starbucks medicine ball. So I use that to make it. I am trying out this stock cold brew coffee. This is the, I don't know if it's, it don't say medium. It's unsweetened black, but coffee. So I don't like my coffee sweet and I like to do it on my own. I picked up the Olipop in root beer. Love that. Butter. Whipping cream because I'm gonna make some mashed potatoes today. I picked up 4 gallons of water. You guys know, if you know me, you know we use these for our coffee pot. And then to make like our water, I use the strawberry watermelon sugar-free, these. And then when I'm on the go, I use these to put in my water. It helps me drink way more water. My favorite plug-ins, well, Glade plug-ins right now is going to be the Clean Linen. I love this. Like, you smell it throughout the house. My sister came over and she was like, girl, what is that? I'm like, girl, that is the Clean Linen. I picked up from Aldi's the rotisserie flavored turkey breast tenderloins. So we're going to eat that this week. Some potatoes, because like I said, I want to make mashed potatoes. This is my favorite salmon from them. It's the Atlantic salmon. I'm gonna make this tonight. I also like to eat this for breakfast with some eggs, but I'm gonna make it for dinner tonight. Speaking of eggs, your girl eats eggs now almost every single day, so I go through eggs a lot. Pick up some eggs. I probably need to start going to Sam's to pick up my eggs, but I don't feel like going on that side of town. Target. I picked up my facial toner. I use the Witch Hazel facial toner, unscented. This one, I love that one. I picked up my creamer. I use the Starbucks Zero creamer, so it has 0 sugar added. And I use the Caramel Macchiato. I got it backwards, y'all. Here it goes. The Caramel Macchiato. I really like this one because once again, I don't add sugar to my coffee. So I use this one and they had them buy 2 for $9. And yeah, that's all I picked up. So I'm about to put this stuff up real quick. Yeah, I think that's all I picked up. Yeah, this basically stuff I picked up. Somebody put all this jazz up. And I'll be back, y'all, because I need to charge all up. Well, you know what? I got an extra battery, but I do need to lay down because my head hurts. So I'll be back. I'll be back.
Here I find myself again, time traveling only in my head. From the past to future play, more change, yeah. My emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be tricked every time. Never mind, it's just life. It's okay for my sanity to choose perfect peace, and I'll forever and always be here, present. I am enough as I am. I am fully equipped. Even when the tide and the current start to shift, I am adaptable. I am adaptable. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. It's safe for me to be grounded in the present. The balance between problem solving and the universe working itself out. All that I have is all that I need, but to actualize it I can't doubt. No doubt my emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time. Never mind, it's just life. It's okay for my sanity. I choose peace, and I'll forever and always be here, present. I am enough as I am. I am fully equipped. Even when the tide and the current start to shake. Kan inte ta tillbaka någonting av det jag sagt, men om du låter mig förklara har vi i alla fall försökt ge dig en chans. Du vill ha någon som tar hand om dig, men du låter inte mig. Våra spöken, ingen enkel grej, men jag har i alla fall försökt ge dig en chans. Stora känslor väller ur mig när du säger att du vill testa. Stora känslor gånger i mig när du säger att du vill ge mig en chans. Jag kan vad som helst för att hitta balansen, baby, bara en chans till. Tro mig, jag ska visa dig allt om min for life. För många nätter på att lösa sånt som aldrig borde varit problem. Denna gången vill jag göra om. Vi blir bättre och bättre nu. Alla omkring mig kallar mig lucky one, för jag har en thing med dig, real love thing med dig. Alla omkring mig kallar mig lucky one, för jag har en thing med dig. Ge mig en chans. Jag kan vad som helst för att hitta balansen, baby, bara en chans till. Tro mig, jag ska visa dig allt om min for life, baby, en chans. Jag kan vad som helst för att hitta i land. Oh baby, bara en chans till. Tro mig, jag ska ge dig mitt allt om min for life.
Hey y'all. Hey y'all. I'm embarrassed to say how many days later, but it is currently Friday, March 29th, and I realized that I've been doing more shorts than anything else. And I don't know, have I seen y'all since I got my hair braided? I don't know, y'all got my hair braided. Okay, my sister-in-law did it. They're really long. I've never gotten them this long, but she did a really good job though. I've got compliments on my braids, y'all, but I've just never had them this long. Like, let's be real. They're, let me back it. They're like waist length. Well, they booted, yeah. Waist length, a little longer than my waist, whatever. Waist length, so. Yeah, I ain't never had them like this long, and I did a little color. My niece convinced me to do a little color, not too much, not too much. Keep it classy, not trashy, I'm just kidding. No matter what color your hair is. But anyway, I just got back from my wax appointment. If y'all don't know, I go to European Wax Center. I don't think y'all can see the bag because it's bright, but European Wax Center, I've been going there for like 2 years now, 2 years. If not longer, honestly. But I had to restock on some things. So I really love, what's this called? The Slow Body Polish. It is supposed to, well, it does actually minimize growth hairs as well. Like, because you get waxed and you don't want to get any type of growth hair. So I use this. I like this because it is an exfoliant and it slows and refines the hair too as well. So it makes your waxes so much better because of, one, you don't get hair bumps. 2, it makes your hair, somehow makes your hair softer, so it's easier to wax. And then the second thing I get is the body wash. It also minimizes hair, and I get them in the fragrance shea. I really love it. It just smells so good. This right here is also supposed to smooth and slows and smooth and refreshes down there. So it slows the hair growth, smooths and gently exfoliate. It also refreshes and purifies all skin types without stripping or drying. So it keeps down there moisturized too as well. And we're going to that summertime. But even in the wintertime, y'all, I really love using this. I use it just to wash on top down there. And I love it. I've been using it for, yeah, about 2 years since I've been getting waxed, y'all. It makes my waxing so much easier, y'all. She's able to get in, wax, and I'll be done. I don't have to have like a 15-20 minute wax because my hair isn't, it's trained now, so it's not as coarse, I guess you can say. I don't know, they always say it's soft, so it's able to go through maybe one. They may have to do 2 times, go over it twice, and we're done. We don't have to do it 3-4 times. So I swear by this. I use this all the time. Usually I exfoliate every other day, so I use like that slow polish every other day, and then I use this one the day that I don't use that. So I always keep those on hand. And then they came out with some travel sizes, so we're gonna be going out of town tomorrow just for a little weekend trip. So I end up getting the same 2 things, the body wash and also the polish. But these, they only have the minis in aloe, so I really like these because look how small they are. Perfect for packing. So I usually have to carry these big things, or I don't carry them when we go out of town, but now they come out with the mini. So I went ahead and picked these up, and then I had like a $5 credit. So yeah, winning. Okay, winning. So I really like those. But yeah, I'm getting ready to, I gotta go to work today, so it's almost 10 o'clock. I'm gonna wash my makeup brushes before I clock in so they can dry and be ready, just in case I'm gonna do my makeup when we go out of town. But anyway, came on here to, now my purse distracted me. I love leather purses, but they get scratched up so easily. Can you see that? I'm gonna have to polish it again. But anyway, I said I was saying, I was hopping on just to end this vlog because I realized I didn't end the vlog. I don't know, I was editing it and I was gonna upload it, and I was like, girl, you ain't even, yeah, in the vlog. But anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I have a big surprise for y'all for the next vlog. Yeah, it'll probably be the next vlog, or maybe the next short, I don't know, but it's a big surprise, so I can't wait to share it with you guys. I've been keeping a secret, but y'all find out next time. Bye.